All right, we got our bearings and races replaced on here. I had to slap these trees in here, like some of this excess grease off where I got it all over the place. You're going to want to clean the neck out too, any old grease. I'm just going to slide that up in there. Try and get that top bearing lined up a little bit. That doesn't want to go. There we go. Put our top shield on there. There we go. New washer. And our top bolt. That's our 15/16 bolt up there. We're just going to give this a little torque there. Not much, just a little bit, because we'll have to move it around to line the trees up. Get the lower legs in. A little bit more. And you can get a little crush beforehand and then loosen it back up. Make sure your bearings are good and seated. And back it off just a little bit. Don't worry about adjusting them once we got the whole front end on there, do the fall away and all that. But overall, I think they turned out pretty decent there. Got grease and fingerprints all over them now, but to be expected. Let me grab my pinch bolts and slide them in here. 4 tubes in here. Making sure they're in the right position. You know, you got a left and a right. Or if you got dual discs, you still have a left and a right. And I'm just going to make these about even right now until I get them in there. And then I'll adjust them where I want them as far as how much of the cap's sticking through here. So if I need to lower it, if I want to lower it any, I can. Or raise it up or whatever. That's good for right now. We'll torque these later. They get torqued to I think 35 foot-pounds. I need to go down just a little bit. Bit more. That's good enough for right now. Then we'll have to do the fall away once we get the wheel and fender and all the rest of the bars and all the rest of that crap on there. We can set the actual play correctly for the bearings so they're not too loose or too tight. Feel pretty good though. And I think that's about it for right now. Still got to finish doing this front fender. And haven't decided on whether I'm going to paint the wheel or not. I think I am because it's pretty ugly looking. But that's it. So that's it for the front end. I think it looks a lot better than it did as far as polished up pretty good. Still got wax on it. Got a good coat of grease on top of the wax now, so can't really see it really good. It's got fingerprints all over it. All right, you guys have a good weekend. Take care. Thanks for watching. New subscribers, thanks. Old subscribers, thanks. Anybody watching, thanks for watching.